Welcome to Forestry Machines. In today's video, we will continue to explore the most modern firewood processing machines with cutting-edge technology and unique homemade machines with never-before-seen designs. From firewoods flowing like a stream to the satisfying cracking sounds of wood splitting, peak performance demonstrations are waiting for you. Are you ready? Let's start now. Let's admire this high-powered wood splitter. Look at its impressive wedge frame. This is a monster wood splitting machine, not an ordinary type. This machine is designed to specifically split logs with large diameters. Each stroke of the hydraulic piston can split up to 12 large pieces of firewood. Impressive, isn't it? Wow, the colors of this wood splitter are truly impressive. This is a horizontal log splitter with a hydraulic piston operated by an electric motor. The biggest advantage of the hydraulic piston type is the very large splitting force that helps process many types of wood with diverse sizes. Let's watch this demonstration. Continue with this classic log splitter line. The steel drill bit rotates at high speed powered by an electric motor. Friction and torque will split the log in half in an instant. This is a very smart method of splitting wood. It is both compact and achieves high wood splitting speed. With a large splitting frame that can move up and down to accommodate different wood sizes, and a hydraulic ram powered by the tractor's engine, this wood splitter is demonstrating superior strength when processing large logs like these. There are many more powerful and interesting machines waiting for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next magnificent beast machines. The operating mechanism of this homemade wood splitter is quite simple. A sharp splitting wedge rotates continuously around an axis, and it will split in half anything placed in its path. Just place the log on the stand and wait a moment. The log will be split in two with very satisfying sounds. Here's an interesting way to split small pieces of wood, and this is one of those methods with a very unique homemade wood splitter. Wow, let's join this genius man in processing this pile of wood with an axe. He has a rather interesting method, which is to place the logs into car tires and then proceed to split the wood with an axe. This method proves to be truly effective. Let's experience it with him. Wow, those cuts couldn't be any sweeter. This machine with a splitting wedge directly attached to a hydraulic piston will split in half anything placed in its path. Whether it's large or small wood, it's no challenge for this impressive log splitter. Introducing this impressive manual wood splitter. Although it's manual, thanks to its special design with the assistance of a large spring and gravity placed above the axe blade, the operator doesn't need to exert too much effort here. Splitting firewood is no longer a laborious task of raising an axe high and chopping down. Now, splitting wood is like a hobby. It's wonderful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next impressive wood splitting machines. This custom-designed chainsaw setup proves extremely useful when you want to efficiently cut small trees or branches. With the semi-automatic mechanism in place, you won't need to do much other than hold the branches and place them into the cutting blade. It's quite interesting, and don't forget to be careful when operating to ensure safety. This is a peak performance wood splitting demonstration that you must see. This log splitter is specially designed with a vertically moving splitting wedge along with a hydraulic piston mounted on a window-like frame. In front is a high-speed conveyor belt that immediately transports the freshly split pieces of wood. The workspace arrangement of this wood splitter is also smart, helping the operator achieve maximum productivity. If you find this interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more fascinating machines. Have you tried splitting wood this way? This is a rather unique device, with the splitting wedge pointing upwards and the log placed on top of it. Then use a hammer to strike and split the log right on this wedge. If you want to quickly get firewood for heating with a compact, easily portable device, this is quite a good solution. Let's see how this mini wood splitter performs its task. Designed to be compact and modern, this machine impresses right from its exterior appearance. Small pre-cut logs are fed into the splitter. Slowly but steadily, watch as the split firewood flows out like a continuous stream. Truly impressive. Do you like this machine? Leave us a comment to let us know. Not noisy, not too flashy, but what this machine can do is worthy of our admiration. Designed primarily to handle large diameter logs. Look at the beautifully square cut pieces of firewood. The work is almost completely automatic. Place the log on and this machine will do the rest. With each back and forth motion, the log is pushed into the splitting wedge frame with a large hydraulic arm, producing continuous pieces of firewood. With a razor-sharp and shiny wedge, along with the powerful compression force of the hydraulic arm, this is like a miniature firewood production factory. Each sweet cut divides the log in half beautifully. This is a homemade log splitter, but still powerful enough to split logs of various sizes. For larger logs, it can perform splitting in sections. This machine is a fairly perfect solution for this task. Using a wood splitting drill to split large logs like this is a very good choice. This is a specialized device designed to be integrated into the excavator's arm, which is quite convenient. The pre-cut logs and the high-speed drill with the pushing force of the arm will quickly split them in half. This log splitter has a reverse design with a fixed vertical splitting wedge at the top. The hydraulic piston pushes the log holder upwards, and the pressure combined with the sharp splitting wedge will split the log in half along its path. This wood splitting method also proves effective in this task. This hydraulic log splitter is truly impressive. With a 15-ton piston pressure, it can easily handle large logs. The 5 kW 3-phase motor provides significant power. The piston extension time of only 4 seconds helps increase work efficiency. The smart design with hydraulically adjustable blades allows splitting wood into 2 or 4 pieces as needed. Very versatile. If you have an idea to make a homemade tree cutting machine similar to this model, please pay attention to safety design. Using an existing handheld chainsaw, combined with a frame and semi-automatic setup, this machine is also an effective choice for cleaning up your garden or handling small branch cutting. Want to see more interesting content like this? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.